Hello, welcome back to Off Grid Style. I'm Nikki, and I am so glad to have you here. Today we are discussing what to expect after SHTF. We all think we're prepared. We all think we've got it covered to one extent or another. We all believe that, okay, I can handle that, and I can handle this, and I can handle this. Well, what exactly truly is going to happen if an SHTF situation occurs? What are you going to have to deal with? That is what this video is about, so let's find out.
The immediate aftermath of SHTF. The idea of SHTF represents a moment of crisis or disaster that can disrupt the normal functioning of society. In these SHTF scenarios, whether they're caused by natural disasters, economic collapse, or other catastrophic events, people find themselves plunged into a new and often challenging reality. We are going to look at what to expect immediately after SHTF, as well as the multifaceted dimensions of the post-crisis landscape. The initial chaos and uncertainty. We will face a breakdown of communication. The expectation is that communication networks are likely to falter or become overloaded, leading to a breakdown in information flow. The implications of this are the lack of reliable information makes uncertainty worse and makes it challenging to understand the scope of the crisis and plan accordingly. You will also have panic and disorder. The expectation is that panic may ensue as people deal with fear, confusion, and the sudden disruption of their normal routines. The implications of this panic is that essential resources become scarce, and looting may occur as people strive to secure necessities, contributing to a chaotic environment. Resource scarcity and competition for those resources. Limited access to essentials. The expectation is that basic necessities like food, water, and medical supplies may become scarce. The implication of this scarcity is that people will face the immediate challenge of sourcing these essentials, leading to heightened competition and potential conflicts. Bartering and resourceful adaptation. The expectation of an SHTF situation is that traditional forms of currency may lose value, leading to increased reliance on bartering for goods and services. The implication of money losing its value means resourceful adaptation becomes a key survival skill as people learn to navigate a system where the old ways no longer apply. And what about security concerns and social dynamics? The erosion of law and order. The expectation is that the breakdown of societal structures may lead to an erosion of law and order. The implications of this lawlessness is that people and communities will have to grapple with the need for self-defense and establish an alternative system of governance. This will also lead to the need for the formation of communities. The expectation of all this is that in response to the challenges posed by whatever SHTF crisis this is, people may come together to form communities. And cooperation becomes essential for security, for resource sharing, and the collective well-being of the community. What about health and well-being? There will be medical challenges. The expectation is that access to medical care after an SHTF situation may be severely limited, which will lead to increased challenges in managing health issues. The implications of this medical care shortage are that basic injuries and illnesses become more significant threats in the absence of readily available healthcare services. And what about the psychological impact of dealing with an SHTF situation? The expectation is that the stress and trauma of the crisis may have profound psychological effects on people and communities. The implication of this added stress is that mental health support becomes crucial, and communities must find ways to address and mitigate the psychological toll of the crisis. Navigating the immediate aftermath of SHTF is an unparalleled challenge that requires adaptability, resilience, and a communal spirit.
Interesting video, I thought. Well, I am the one who made it, so I probably definitely thought it was interesting. I wouldn't try to make a boring one. But anyway, I digress as per usual. Tell me what you thought. Had you thought about any of this? Are you prepared for all of this? Share your comments with me. Share your experiences with me. You know I love to hear from you. You know I'm going to answer back. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you again soon.